Hello and welcome back to another video on our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this tutorial video, we're gonna look at how you can log into your Kraken wallet. So if this video sounds helpful to you, watch it till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this every day. So in order to never miss our videos, make sure you are notified. To log into your Kraken account, firstly, you'll need to download the app from the Play Store. After the app has been downloaded, tap the open button. Now you can see an interface such like this. If you want to create a new account, you can tap on create account, or to sign in, tap the sign in option. Now type in the username that you have created while creating your Kraken account. Then also type in the password. If you have forgotten the password or your username of your account, you can simply tap on the options below the sign in button. Now when you're done typing in the information, tap on the sign in button. And just like that, you have logged into your Kraken account. So that's how easily you can log into your Kraken account. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. And that's all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.